All right, everyone. Next, we're going to look at activity 3, this Hippocratic Oath. Mr. O'Connor's using this crazy word that sounds like hippo. Maybe you've heard the word oath before. Oath is a commitment. It's a choice and something that you say out loud. The Highlander commitment is kind of like an oath. There are other oaths of office that judges and elected officials take. The president takes an oath of office, a commitment to the job. Judges do the same thing. Police, fire people do the same thing. Obviously, different oath. Doctors follow a Hippocratic oath from Hippocrates. So, we have finished our experiments at Camp Lazier, and we now know the secret of the Yellow Death, how it spread, all of those pieces of evidence that were most important to that team of researchers. We're looking at an ancient and important document, the Hippocratic Oath. It's a pledge that medical students take when they graduate from medical school to become doctors. So after college, when you're in college, people decide that they want to be a doctor. Then they go to medical school. So in medical school, as students graduate and they become ready to become doctors, they take the physician's pledge or the Hippocratic Oath that was created in 1948. And this gives them direction with how to think about and practice medicine. Rules to live by, medicine, or practices to follow, that kind of thing. The Boy Scouts also take an oath. The Pledge of Allegiance is like an oath. As we mentioned, there's a lot of other oaths that people take. So here is the Physician's Pledge. Go ahead and read it, about a minute and a half. If you do not know words, make sure that you are defining them. Even if you don't know what some of the words mean that are not predefined, you need to look those up. So, what is the Hippocratic Oath? On card 1. And then card 2. This is going to be an independent activity. You are going to pick 3 out of the 13 sections, and you are going to explain it in your own words or paraphrase the section. So, I solemnly pledge to dedicate my life to the service of humanity. In your own words, you need to explain what that says. Do not worry about the assigned sections. Just skip that. So you're picking 3 out of the 13. You can do 1, 5, and 6. You can do 7, 8, 9. You can do 10, 1, and 2. Whatever combination of 3 different ones, you just need to practice paraphrasing. Make sure you hand that in.